Good morning, caterpillars. We are in the month of April. What is the last letter in the word April? It is the letter L. Look at how L and I look very much alike. They both have a straight line. What does I have that is different than L? I has a dot on top and L has just a straight line. What number does that look like? It looks like the number 1. But when we're asking about a letter, we know that this is the letter L. Straight line is the letter lowercase l. Here is our calendar. Yesterday we were back from Easter. It was a Monday yesterday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. What letter does Tuesday begin with? A T. Tuesday. Tuesday. Let's sing our ABCs together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good work, guys. How many ladybugs do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bees do you see? Try again. 2. One was hiding behind Miss Cochran. And how many plants do you see? I see 4. Good job. All right, there are 6 bees. 6 bees are here. But how many are inside the hive? I see 4 here. How many are inside, do you think? If there are 4 on the outside and I had 6, how many would be inside? Good. I had 4, 5, 6. I think there are 2. Let's see if we're right. 2. How did you guys figure that out? Can you tell your neighbor or tell your mom or dad how you guys figured that out? And if you didn't figure it out, maybe ask somebody, how did you do that? Let's see if we can come up with how our minds are working and how we're figuring out 6 objects. If 2 are hidden, how many are hiding right here? 4 are out. How many could we figure out? How many are hiding? I love to hear all that work you're doing. All right, now it's time to help me. Miss Picky is very, very picky. She found some objects, but she does not remember how these objects are alike. So let's look at them. We have itch. We have this is an inch. Here are insects. Here is an inchworm. And here is an igloo. What sound do you hear that is similar? Again, pair and share. Talk to somebody next to you. Talk to your family. Tell me how those objects are like. Say them again and figure out which sound is the same. Is it the beginning? Is it the middle? Or is it the end? And what sound is it? Okay, did you put me on pause? Did you figure it out? All right, let's see if your mind was working today and see if you guys figured it out together. All right. If you said you heard the letter I or the I sound at the beginning, you were right. I makes the I sound. Remember, I is special because it is a vowel, so it does make 2 sounds. I and I. And all of these words had that I sound. Listen, itch, inch, igloo, inchworm, insect. They all had the same beginning sound. Now it's time to us to decide if we can find the same beginning sound. What has the same beginning sound as zebra? Is it a zipper or a jellyfish? Zebra. Zipper and zebra have the same beginning sound. And what sound do you hear? Z. Good. It is a Z. We'll do two more. What has the same beginning sound as nose? Yoda or noodles? Nose. Yoda or noodle? If you said noodle, give yourself a high five. Noodle and nose have the same beginning sound. They begin with a N sound. Last one. What has the same beginning sound as worm? Water or man? Worm. Worm. Water. Do they have the same beginning sound? Good job. We heard it right away, didn't we? So this week we are talking all about plants and all about spring and what happens in spring. So we are going to build a flower today. We're going to talk about some names of the plants, okay? We have a root, a stem, leaves, and a petal. So we're going to build a flower together. What happens under the ground? What do you get? You plant a seed, and the seed starts growing a root so that it can be strong under the ground and it can drink all of that water that it needs. Next comes a stem. Here is my stem. Off the stem you have leaves that grow. And on the top of the leaves you get a flower. And on that flower, these are called petals. In the middle right here, this is where the bees come and pollinate all of the different flowers. So here is my flower again, my roots, my stem, my leaves, and my petal. We have some letters missing in the words, so we're going to have to try to figure out where they go. All right, a leaf. What does a leaf begin with? Good. A leaf begins with the letter L, so I'll move that letter L down. Leaf. How about a petal? What letter does a petal begin with? P is for petal. Good. P is for petal. How about stem? What sound do you hear at the beginning of stem? Good. A S sound. Stem. And here is my root. And here is my root. It is below the ground. And it helps, what does it help? It helps the flower or the plant stay very, very firm. It's like its feet. And then it drinks, that's where it gets all of its nutrients and water from, is the root. Root is the letter R. Root begins with the letter R. So today I want you to make a flower. I want you to see if you can label the parts. You can put it on pause so that you can copy the words. We have petal, leaf, stem, and roots. All right, see if you can make your flower. Make sure it has some roots, make sure it has some stems and a leaf, and that it has petals on top. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.